I promised an unboxing video yesterday in my podcast, so here we go. It is the OnePlus 12, and they also sent me a wireless charger, but we'll do that last. Oops, I forgot to include an unboxing of the wireless charger, but I will include that with the next video. So here is the 12, and I have not opened it yet. It is still sealed. So let me get my trusty knife and slice open these seals here, like so. And let's open the box. Never settle. Okay, I won't. And in here, what do we have? We have the regular stuff that we usually get with any phone. We've got a welcome OnePlus with some info there that nobody reads. We get a quick guide. Again, nobody reads this stuff. Safety guide. We don't want to be safe, do we? No. Membership card. Okay, we get a membership card. And we get the good old SIM tool. And if you watched my last video podcast from yesterday, you will know that I have a sore spot about SIMs, notably eSIMs. And then we got a little USB adapter here. Alrighty. And we have the phone. What else is in here? It's still pretty heavy. Let me see, I get this open. And we have this USB power adapter. It's a big boy, but it will charge the phone pretty quickly. Okay, what else we got? And we have a OnePlus Red charging cable. It is a USB, how do we open this guy? A USB-A to USB-C. All right. And that is all that's in there. And let's go to the main event, the OnePlus 12. Let's open it up here. And I'm going to go ahead and put something on the back of the phone so I can cover up the information. Here's the OnePlus 12, and let's turn it over. I got the green one. It's kind of like a sea green, and it has this really cool, I don't know, it looks oceany. It's got a really cool pattern on the back. Here we can see the OnePlus Open and the OnePlus 12. They both have a Hasselblad camera module on the back. And let's just take a quicker look at this close up. And it looks really cool. It does stick up a little bit. I'm going to say it's not sticking out. Maybe it's not sticking out as much as the Open. But I really like the feel of this. And this metal part around here is also a kind of like a sea green. All right. Let's check out the top edge here. It's like a microphone, a speaker, and it looks like there's an infrared lens here. And we have, what I like is the mute switch. Now that Apple got rid of theirs on the iPhone, I really find that I'm missing it. So I like that they haven't gotten rid of theirs. And I like it because it is a metal button with some knurling on it, so it's easy for your finger to feel it. And there's two different settings here. One for, I believe, mute, and then one for vibrate. And on the other side, it's kind of hard to photograph this because it's so shiny. We have a 1-button volume switch and then the power button. And on the bottom, there is a speaker, looks like another microphone, the SIM card slot, and the USB-C port. All right, let's just give this a quick power up. I haven't charged it yet. Let's just give it a power up and see if it's got any charge. Yep, it does. See how quick it boots up? It's going to make me go through the setup process. That was pretty fast. Let's do all the good old agreements without reading them. Probably sign our life away. Use an eSIM. Yeah. I guess I'm going to do it, guys. I'm going to switch over my iPhone's eSIM again. I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera. Let's just, is there a way to skip that? Is there a way to do it later? And we'll just go ahead to the next step if that's available. And it wants me to connect to Wi-Fi. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to skip this. Let's skip it. I never like to send the diagnostic data. And let's skip that. And let's go with gestures. Auto update. Done. And Oxygen OS is booting up. And there we go. Let's see what we got here. As far as apps, I like the way they do their folders. And what I like also about OnePlus is they don't put a lot of gunk on your phone. It is pretty much like stock Android, only with Oxygen OS. Well, there you go. That is a very quick unboxing. And I am going to get ready and set it all up, move my eSIM over, and we will be, well, not we, I will be doing a thorough review, and I'll be back with a written review and my thoughts on it in another Gadgeteer video podcast. So please, if you haven't done so, give me a thumbs up on this video if you liked it, and also, please, subscribe.